Balami all the way from northern Nigeria, live and direct here in London, ahead of Chatham House fire. It's going to be hot.
You're not even calling it the Chatham House event. You say it's Chatham House fire. Why do you call it a fire?
Fire because PO is boiling right now. He will not be sharing or allocating questions.
Abi?
So he's hot.
I like that.
Yeah.
So you're already in the benevolence department. PO will not be allocating questions.
He will not.
That means a lot.
He's loaded and ready for this work. Yeah.
Yeah. Some people said that what's his name? The PDP guy is arranging people to come and make noise. I said to someone, I said, let him come. He will see. We will match his madness with a greater madness.
The issue is that we can't be distracted.
Yes, so.
Yeah, we can't be distracted. It's just a small price. Yeah, we can't be distracted. We are here to tell the whole world, most importantly Nigerians, what plan our principal, Peter Obi and Dati, the incoming president and vice president, have for them. We are not here to fight any jobless persons, you know. We are here to say, you know, what needs to be said.
Exactly. Yeah. No, Balami, you know, there is this notion that PU is not doing well in the north. And I know the activities you've been doing in the north in the last couple of days or months. So, you know, just give us an insight.
I think talking about what we have been able to achieve in the north publicly here is not even worth it.
Okay.
It's not strategic. First of all, we'll be uploading, they say we have no structure. In the next couple of days, when APC and PDP and Labour Party, the deadline for the INEC polling unit agent is here already in the next couple of days. Let Nigerians go and check if we are serious or not, if we have agents in each polling unit or not, including Maiduguri, Yobe State, Adamawa, where they call red zone. We've gone far. We are ready. You see, the issue about PO is that, like he will always tell you, he's not running because he's an Igbo man and he's Igbo strong. He said he's running because he's the most qualified person. We all know that. But let me just tell you guys this. PO, we are not supporting PO from the north because we like the grammar he's blowing. We are supporting him because his demand for the job, the competence, the character, the capacity. You know, is there. But aside that, we are supporting PO because of our unborn children.
Yes.
We are supporting PO because of our future.
Yes.
I want to be able to go back to Maiduguri, go to Adamawa for Christmas holiday, for Salah holiday, for fasting period, and greet my loved ones. I want to be able to go back to bury my loved ones.
Correct.
That is why we're supporting PO. It's not about whether we like his face or not, whether he's looking handsome or Dati is the sweetest guy. No, that's not the issue here. We are supporting PO for the sake of our own future.
Yes.
So that is why.
Actually, if you expand it further, these guys are actually doing us a favor because they're comfortable in their own rights, right?
Of course they are.
It's so comfortable, you know, so that they're coming to, you know, do a service to us. That's why we must, and that's why we are supporting and giving our best to ensure that, you know, this reality becomes, that this dream becomes a reality.
Of course.
So guys, share, you know, share. We are here live, getting ready for the Chatham House.
Yes,
the Chatham House, as my good friend Balami has said, there is not going to be any allocation of questions. You guys will tune in and see how questions will be answered intelligently, not any allocation. And no one will be baba bluing. You know what I mean?
There's no blah blue. And our own town hall has no difference. It's a pure town hall. You know?
You are in the mood of violence this morning.
Our own town hall has no difference. You can't be doing town hall with a difference. Town hall is town hall. We run pure town hall meetings.
Town hall is town hall.
Yes, no difference.
And the Chatham House is a town hall.
Yes, without the difference. No blah blue in it. Just, you know, something pure and clean, you know.
Exactly. Oh guys. I mean, I'm enjoying it. So we are waiting for to come out. And I think Aisha is here already.
Aisha Yusufu is here, the first lady, the incoming first lady is
Yes,
on ground.
so the incoming
Nana
first
Kazore is
lady.
on ground.
Exactly.
Val Ozigbo is on ground. The party chairman, our celebrity chairman, is on ground.
That is Barrister Comrade Julius Abule.
Yes.
Yes. He's also here. So guys, we have the youngest squad to rescue Nigeria.
Yes,
Look
sir.
at all the young people here.
Young, fresh boys and girls.
Palliative Omoasa.
Exactly. Across the 6 geopolitical zones.
Exactly.
No tribalism here.
No tribalism here now.
You know, everybody is here. Balami from Borno, people from
I think
Adamawa,
Balami, if
everybody
I
is
knew
here.
Kumasef, I should have brought this cap and wear it with suit. And you are.
If your size is same with my own, let me go and get you one now.
Please go.
Anyways, guys, it's happening
guys,
real.
it's
here
real.
in London. Yeah.
So for those of you who say it's a lie, His Excellency is here. The man, I call him the mobile intellectual powerhouse.
Now, what gives people this energy?
The energy.
Say hi to
is
them, say hi to them.
Okay, say hi to the people.
Introduce yourself.
Daniel Elomba, news band.
Yeah.
So what gives you this energy to walk around the country? Travel from Maiduguri, Onitsha, back to Ondo,
Let me just tell you this.
and then Grant's interview, go to town hall, go to television.
PO was live yesterday on, he had a press conference in the morning by 6:30 a.m.
Yes.
Catch Virgin Nigeria to London. Sorry, Virgin Atlantic to London.
No, I thought you guys came with
He
Virgin.
came from Lagos. We came in from
You guys came with BA.
Yes.
I
Virgin.
see.
And then landed and had 5 meetings.
That yesterday.
By 12 midnight, we were still in a meeting. And this man, as early as 6:30 a.m. this morning, he was up. He woke us up. Get ready. He's had 3 meetings already.
Today? Yeah, exactly.
Already now he's going to. He's in the 4th meeting now.
Yeah.
And then he's going to Chatham House, and then he's hosting four different groups later
Afterwards.
Afterwards.
And now
Aside-
the hosting Nigerians from 8 o'clock for the dinner.
For
I will
dinner.
give television
Aside that,
interviews.
sir, he's landing tomorrow morning in Nigeria, and he's continuing with Kaduna rally. From Kaduna, he's moving to the next state. I mean, this man is a moving machine. But you see, but you know, it's not Islam that is. The issue is that when God has called a man, God give him or her the energy, the intellect required for the assignment ahead. It is those who are not called that are trying to impose themselves on the people.
There are those that can't even climb the stairs for the stage for the campaign.
Without being supported.
They are being pushed from the behind.
If they were called,
Yes.
God will have even given them the energy. But when you are not called, it is God that giveth men, the power to do things.
I thought the highlight was the day he went to Delta. The day I saw you were part of Delta. Okay. Yeah, you can go and head.
Let me just pick my principal's calls over there.
Okay. So I thought
sir.
I thought the highlight was the day he went to Delta.
I'm fine,
But
sir.
I was surprised because the day he went to Delta, he granted interview.
Yeah,
He went to
everything
Brekete
is fine.
family in the morning and choppered in into Warri. Went to a town hall in Warri. From town hall, he went to campaign ground. From campaign ground, he went to Asaba campaign. After Asaba, then he went to Asagbe. After Asagbe, he went to Onitsha. That's him. In one day, I said, come on now.
It's amazing, but
Come on.
fatigue.
Imagine. Which fatigue?
And how is he able to answer?
I don't know
questions
exactly. And
intelligently, answer questions, attend interviews, and still have the mental capacity to. Without
the,
being.
the thing that I see there is,
So
imagine
who do we share
him
this
as,
content with, sir?
okay, sorry,
Who do we share
imagine
content
him as the president, and there is serious calamity in Bonu. We know that we have a president can go to Bonu, go to Bayelsa the same day, still come to Abuja and attend some national important, some important issue as concerns the nation.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, right?
It's amazing. He must
Amazing. He's a superhuman. I
If
think.
he's a footballer, we say let's go and test him for.
But you see, but that's
If he's a
the
footballer, he should be tested.
That's the funny thing. When we have dinner, he doesn't, apart from water, there is
So
no other thing
he
he
doesn't
doesn't.
take anything.
Even malt. I recall when we
He only
usually
take
beg him
water,
to
yeah.
malt, Coke. He doesn't take Coke.
He doesn't eat. For
Doesn't
the whole day.
even,
Just,
as
he
long
has-
as he keeps drinking water.
just-
Sometimes I'm like, this guy is not normal, honestly.
I don't know. I don't
I've
know
asked him, I say, I want to.
I don't know how.
Because even
I don't
me
know
that
how he
is
does it. I
younger,
don't know how he
sometimes
does
he
it.
can walk you, you are so tired, he walks you to,
I don't know how he does it. But let's see what happens today. His speech yesterday was January 15th speech was well measured.
yes,
But when he speaks extempore, that's when PO comes alive.
yes.
So let's see what happens today.
Yeah, but but I think today he's going to probably read a prepared speech
And
then
then take
take questions. But again, it's he's a good orator. He's more into impromptus, because the content is there.
Yeah.
So it's not like we said. It's not going to be allocated. Madam, hold on. Madam, good morning. Okay, man.
Already posted on your
We,
TV.
we are already now.
yes,
Hold on.
so-
Cheluko.
Here we are. Let us
Balami,
yeah.
come.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us all Bala. Yeah. So,
here live with the
guys,
incoming first
see what? That's what we are saying. This is the incoming first lady.
Confirmatories.
It's not-
Confirmatories.
It's confirmed.
Yes,
So,
sir.
good morning to the world. We are live
Morning,
now.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
So
Mama
these
is
are
saying
these
hi.
are these are Nigerians.
Peace.
Oh, there. You see, guys. You see,
This country
guys.
is gonna work again.
If you're not excited about the new Nigeria, then you know that something is wrong with you,
Yes, sir.
right? Alistair, I greet you. Alistair is here. Oh, there. Alistair, wait, let me come into your shot.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there. That is it. Alistair, nice to see you.
Yes, sir. Let Alistair say hi to them now.
Alistair, we are live. So you see, this is
Ben TV.
this is the owner of Ben TV that you know.
Yes, sir. Popular.
You know him. So when we say that we have young, vibrant Nigeria converging together to uproot the madness, to take it by its root, not all these, Alistair, what have you got to say?
No, well, please say hi. Talk to them in Hausa first. So, Hausa people are eager to hear from you.
Salamu alaikum barkan ku da ina
Alaikum
kwana ina
salam.
gajiya. Gani da mutumai na zo gaisuwa
Yes,
amma magana gaskiya.
Yawa.
An shiga sabon shekara.
Aha.
An shiga lokacin siyasa. Ya kamata duk wanda ke da PVC ko da baka da PVC ka je ka anshi PVC ɗinka amma ba PVC ɗinka bane ba abin da zai sa siyasa ya zama daɗi.
To, Madala.
Kai ya kamata ka sa abin da siyasa ɗin ya zama daɗi. Saboda kana da PVC sai ka duba wannan.
Sai gobe.
Ka duba wanda yake tare da shi.
To.
Ka je ka duba wata party take da gaskiya ake son a canza Najeriya saboda haka daga arewa zuwa kudu daga Najeriya zuwa international mai da gaskiya mai magana da kanmu kwarai mai abubuwan da ya kamata ka je ka anshi PVC ɗinka ka dube shi ka dube party ɗinsu ka dangwala hannu.
Mama, Yaro.
Yes, sir. Some
Yeah.
people know those who speak English. Some people know that speak Hausa.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here because of the man that we have been working together for a very, very long time. But apart from that, Nigeria is in the season of 2023 that we must elect our governors and we must elect our president. This is United Kingdom, and as a mentoring commandant, monitoring what Nigerians are doing outside the country from the diaspora, the former president and chairman of Nigerian Diaspora Organization, is my privilege and constantly to make sure that we participate when we're talking about leadership to do with our country, the most populous black nation in the world. We must get it right.
Yes.
So your PVC does not decide who you vote for.
Exactly.
Your mind, your gain, and your pain will make you decide who you should go and vote for. And what we're saying now is you have credible, meritorious candidate out with you. Do the right thing. Do the best thing that you can do, not for yourself, but for me, for this generation, for his generation, and the generation to come, so that
Yet
Nigeria
unborn.
should be taking her rightful position in the Committee of Nations.
Exactly.
Let's start with you, and
Hey.
change begin with you. Be a positive change agent, and may God bless us to pick the right candidate, and we know who it is. We must not change our ideology. We must change the way and the pattern we have been voting to vote for the credible candidate that can stand anywhere at any given time and represent you. May God bless us all.
And it's not about tribe.
It's not about tribe.
It's not about religion.
Not at all. But
It's
the
not-
consequences of going that way will live for us for a very long time. equity demands justice, and we must do what we believe is right. Even when you want to talk religiously, you know what is right. As a Christian, as a Muslim, as a pagan, as somebody who doesn't even believe in God, everybody still know what is right for them to do. Ladies and gentlemen, almost 80 million people have registered to vote. People are talking about 90, but I want to bring it down to between 50 to 55 million people are going to vote. Right? Let's make the right decision.
For the first
Vote
time.
wisely, and may God help all of us to do the right thing. And we know what is right.
You know, when he says vote wisely, I hope you decode the message. Yeah? It's
Thank
a
you.
coded message. So, vote wisely. Alice, thank you very much. Yeah, you got that. So, it's Igbo.
Yes, it's possible.
Oh, yeah. Alistair doesn't want to speak Igbo on camera.
Yes, sir.
So the thing here, guys, we are still live. You're still live, you know, no matter what. This is obedient people.
Yes, sir.
Now, while Alistair was talking, he touched on something, which is collecting PVC. What's your view?
Yes, people have to collect their PVCs.
Yeah.
It's important because there's no need, after all the stress we've all gone through to get registered to vote, we abandon our PVCs with INEC. INEC will not vote for us. INEC is for everyone.
Exactly.
But we are for Obi and Dati. So if you want to vote for Obi and Dati, please go pick up your PVC right away. This is Monday.
Yeah.
They are open every day, weekdays of course.
Yeah.
So please go pick up your PVC and make sure you vote on that day. Not just voting. Wait until the beavers is activated and the vote is sent to INEC headquarters.
And before you leave,
Before you leave,
Before
wait for the result first to be uploaded. Don't just vote and walk
it's
away.
just
Vote
a one-day
and-
sacrifice.
It's just
You
a
know,
one-day
so
sacrifice.
people go to night vigil. So this is just saying you come in the morning, 7, 8, you stay till 4, 3, 4, 5, or
That is it,
whatever.
and it's
That's
done.
all.
That is it.
It's only one day.
If anybody want to constitute violence there or nuisance, stop that person, because what our opponent might be doing, from what we've heard, is that where they know we are strong, they want
They
to
will
go and
cause
see how they
trouble.
will disrupt. Yeah.
Yes.
And then once there's violence in any polling unit, we lose our vote there. So no violence, we must stop them.
So guys, you know,
Yes,
the
yes,
squad
yes,
is
yes,
coming.
yes.
We have more squad.
Yes.
So guys, we have more squad. Hello. Good morning. So more squad is coming.
Val is here.
You know him?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, you know him. So we are here live, and this is Njenje Media TV. So
That's the Maazi himself.
the man they couldn't arrest. So Val, we've been talking with Balami. So are you ready now to rock and roll to the Chatham House events today?
Certainly.
Certainly. You know, the other day, Val, I saw your interview with Arise TV, where you talked about the Town Hall app.
Yes.
And after that interview, I went and I downloaded that app. I must confess, that is one of the best app I've ever used.
Fantastic.
Honestly. You know, now I have, even in my community, isn't it, now we have, when I shared it, I asked everybody to go and download.
Precisely.
Now people are communicating.
Exactly.
People wake up and say, you know, like this morning when I checked, I said, oh, Maazi, where can we get posters or whatever? I said, don't worry, I'll make that happen. But that is the type of conversation we want to have.
Precisely.
So that people come
We
together.
need the obedient groups, all the groups we have, to be able to organize themselves and have customized meetings geared towards success of the election. So whether at the polling unit level, at the ward level, local government level, the state level, or in fact nationally. So whichever one you want to get done, even when you have an offline engagement, you can bring it online. So those who are not online can see it, and you can also take online to offline. So that way, there's no story. You were able to make sure we get the training, the knowledge, the awareness, everything we require to make sure that the obedient now have the structure that they've always boasted that we don't have. Now, this is the game changer. So please, if you're here listening, obidati.support and download the Town Hall app, obidati.support. And for those of you who are richer than me, please donate some
Donate,
1,000 naira, 2,000, 10 million naira. You're most welcome. Thank you.
Even if you don't want to give us cash, but you want to, say we want to print 1,000 posters, 10,000 posters, we also take.
Yes.
Whatever it is.
Yeah.
Just know that we have about 39 days to decide for the future of Nigeria.
Yes, and don't be mistaken. You're not going to see Peter Obi's face on the ballot.
It's
You're going to
Labour
see
Party.
LP. You won't even see Labour Party. You're going to see LP. L and P. Mama, Papa, Mama, Pekin. Father, Mother, and Child. Is that a son or a daughter? Whichever one. Father, Mother, and
Baba,
and
Baba,
child.
Baba, Mama, Yaro for Hausa.
Yeah.
So, okay, people asking for us to send the app. I would, in the comment section, once this live stream is finished, I will be sending the link for you to come back and download the app. But if you go to the App Store, just type Town Hall together. Town Hall, TOWNHALL.
Or the Play Store.
Or the Play Store. And now, then you will understand that this Town Hall is indeed different.
This is not the blah blah blue.
No,
this is the real game changer town hall.
No, it is also the town hall without a difference, a pure town hall. There's no difference in this town hall.
Oh, Balami, you're not going to kill me. Balami, your violence is on another level.
That is people know the year word. We need to show them better.
I know.
So guys, we are here. We are getting ready. It's going to be good. So stay tuned on Njenje Media. We are streaming it live. It's going to be 2 o'clock Nigerian time. For those of you in London, it's going to be 1 p.m. It's going to go live. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. By all means, subscribe. If there is anywhere you want to get the most up-to-date event regarding any obedient movement, you know where to go. That's Njenje Media TV. So, and again, like I said, here we have Val Ozigbo, who is in charge of technology for this campaign. So, again, we know they carry last, as they say. Nowhere will they carry last.
At all.
It's been good, guys. No, you'll be rest assured that yes, myself and Valentine and Balami is here, but be rest assured that questions will not be delegated.
Oh no.
We know the share question. We know the share question.
We don't want any further public embarrassment. We need competency. We need some leadership that can bring the right mental capacity. We want to make sure that the man we're going to put on the saddle is able to place a proper judgment call when needed. But we don't need people who can show competence. And with due respect, what we saw prior was a national embarrassment. And I can bet you we're going to redefine that. We're here to clean up that bad image of Nigeria that have been sold elsewhere. P2B will make you proud today. I can bet. Thank you.
Thank you very much, so guys. So those of you asking for the time for the London event, I do not know the time in UAE, but please, if you're in UAE and you're a Nigerian, just know the time you call your Nigerian people. Convert the time is 2 o'clock Nigerian time. So I believe that will help you. Help you to, be live here with us on Njenje Media TV. But before we go in, actually, we would endeavor to stream from inside and outside. So there might be 2 parallel streamings happening at the same time. One will be showing exactly what is happening in the inside, and the other may, depending on what happens, if there is any need to show what is happening outside, we will go ahead and do that. But if not, you will be rest assured that every single thing that happens inside, you will also know what is happening. Guys, we are getting ready. Let me show you guys around so you know where we are. So this is what we want to replicate in Nigeria. Look at environment, how sound and, the environment is safe. Now we are... So these are things we want to make national standard. And we can only make it when we stop stealing money. We can only make it when the monies that belong to you and I, bullion vans are not bringing it to our houses. We can only make this happen when, we hold people responsible. My good friend Balami is from the Northeast, but most times now they can't even go home. I am from the Southeast, but most times I can't even go home. Why? Because insecurity has taken over the places. So therefore, we are working tirelessly to ensure that a new Nigeria is birthed. Okay, guys? So at this point, I will say thank you very much. Let me leave you now, but make sure you are subscribed. Where is Aisha actually? Somebody's asking of Aisha. Aisha will come very soon. Maybe if she comes before I go off, then I'll let Aisha say hello to us. You saw when Her Excellency, the wife of the incoming president, came in. You saw her there, right? So that is
Let's be sure that none of us.
that is what is happening. Aisha would join us, hopefully. Right? So, where is Abure? I think they're still upstairs. No, that is no longer there. I think only Madam. So, guys. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, I'll speak to you guys later then.